time you come around.
Come loose your dogs upon me and let your hair hang down. You are a little mystery to me. Every time you come around,
we talk about it all night long. We define
our moral ground.
when I call into
How are you? Oh, you look very nice, very handsome. Yeah. Oh, you look so nice in his Tibetan clothes. Oh, all ready for the ceremony?
From this time forward, under Buddha, I pledge my loyalty to Australia and its people, who democratic beliefs I share, who rights and liberties I respect and obey. You might choose.
Yeah, finish.
Just this one.
Just this part here, yeah.
Okay.
So it's very good. So everybody stands together. So not just alone,
Yeah.
everybody together
Okay.
reads this, yeah. So it's okay because nobody hears if you make a mistake.
From this time forward, under God, I pledge my loyalty to Australia and its people, whose democratic beliefs I share.
Mr. Nehemiah, stand up from today.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth untold. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant southern cross, we toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned through all lands. For those who come across the seas, we've boundless lands to share.